Namaste, welcome to the class. Again, those who have severe backache, when you are bending forward, please be cautious. Do it up to your capacity. With that, we will start. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Eyes gently closed. We will start with neck exercise. Exhaling, bring head forward, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Try to stretch throat muscles up and lift your chin little more up. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will turn right and left. Inhaling, turn right. Chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate. Exhaling down. Inhaling right ear on the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Now we will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Keep both the legs together. Hands along with the body. Now rotate the shoulder ball forward. Make a bigger circle. Similarly, do it in the reverse direction. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward, palms looking down. All 5 fingers together. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Similarly, take both the hands up. Exhaling, pull the elbows down and lock them at the front. Now place both the palms either side of the shoulder. Now join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them back. Now join the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Keeping elbows together, bring them down and start rotating. Make a bigger circle. Try to keep elbows together for a longer distance. Similarly, join the elbows at the bottom. Keeping elbows together, bring them up and then start rotating. Now from sideways, lift the shoulders up and down from shoulder to elbow should be straight and close to the ear when they go up. Only shoulders are moving, not the body or not the head. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward. Now lift the fingers up at the wrist. Try to stretch them back. Bring them down. Again stretch them at even when you are bringing them down. Take them back. Bring them down. Now from sideways join the fingers. Make sure even thumb also along with the other fingers. Now join the wrist and then stretch them back. Join the fingers. Join the wrist. Now make a fist of the hand, thumb inside, remaining 4 fingers on top of the thumb. Now rotate the wrist inwards 3-4 times. Make sure elbows are straight and hands are at the shoulder height. Don't drop them. And in the reverse direction. Keeping the hands over there. From shoulder to fingers, randomly shake the hand. Don't drop the hands. Relax. Now keep a little distance between both the legs, more than a shoulder width. Take both the hands up, join both the palms at the top. Inhaling, stretch both the hands up. Exhaling, bend back, bend maximum back, taking the hands to 180 degrees. Normal breathing in the final stage. You can bend your knees also. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up. Join both the palms at the top. Exhaling, bring the hands from the front. We will do one more time. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Once again, inhale and stretch both the hands up. Exhaling, slowly bend back and take the hands to 180 degrees. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up. Exhaling, bring the hands from the front. Normalize the hands. Keep legs over there. Normalize your breath. Now take both the hands up at the shoulder width. Inhaling, stretch them up. Exhaling, bend towards your right. Keeping the hands in the shoulder width. Your right hand should be close to the right ear. Bend only towards right. And normal breathing. See the impact at the sides. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up. Once again, inhale and stretch both the hands up. Exhaling, bend towards your left. Make sure your elbows are straight, shoulder close to the left ear. Your left hand should be close to the ear. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up. Normalize your breath, stay there. Once again, inhale and bend back. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Rest of them, completely exhale, bend forward, and see if you can reach your feet with your fingers. Forehead is coming between both the knees. Keeping your lower back in the same bent position. Now try to swing to right and left. When you come to left, your right hand is coming to left feet. Your left hand is going up. Look up and see your left hand. Similarly towards your left. Swing right and left. Make sure your lower back is down. Don't raise your hips. Slowly raise the body up. Normalize the breath. Bring both the legs together. Now keeping your hands at the waistline. Now lift the right leg towards the sides. Lift maximum and bring it back. Those who are comfortable, without placing your feet on the floor, try to do it at least 5 to 6 times. But don't place your feet on the floor. Keep your knees straight. Relax. Similarly, do it with left leg. Relax. Now keeping hands at the waistline, lift the right leg, rotate the ankle clockwise, make a bigger circle. Similarly, reverse direction. Normalize the right leg, do it with the left leg, clockwise 3-4 times. And anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Now we will do jogging. Every time when you lift the leg, see your heel is touching the hips. And when you come towards the floor, keep entire feet on the floor. Relax. We will do one more. Keep both the legs together. Hands along with the body. Now jump on your mat. Both legs. So you are jumping on your mat. Keeping your knees straight. Elbows straight. Relax. Now sit on the asana. Relax for a few seconds. Normalize your breath. Join both the legs. Keep both the palms on the knees. Those who have severe knee pain, back pain, don't bend forward. Rest of them, exhaling, bend forward and see your hands are surpassing the toes. Forehead is coming closer to the knees. Relax. Now fold the right leg. Bring the feet close to the chest. While inhaling, exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close to the chest. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now fold the right leg. Place the ankle on the left knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your right knee towards the floor. Look forward, don't look at your knee. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Try to pull towards left side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Now hold the ankle with the left hand, knee with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards right. Maximum towards right. Try to pull your knee towards back. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with the left hand, inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now bring the toe close to the left ear without bending the head. As close as possible. Exhaling, normalize the right leg. Now fold the left leg. Bring the feet close to the chest. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close to the chest. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now fold the left leg. Place the ankle on the right knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your left knee towards the floor. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Try to pull towards right side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Now hold the knee with the left hand, ankle with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards left. Maximum towards left. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now hold the toe with right hand. Inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now exhaling, bring the toe close to the right ear without bending the head. Exhaling, normalize the left leg. We will do Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel left side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. Both heels close to each other. Both knees on the floor. Hands in Dhyana Mudra. Wrist on the knees. Eyes gently closed. Those who cannot sit in Padmasana, sit either in Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. We will do deep and long breathing. Start exhaling slowly. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Holding breath outside, apply Molband.
ఇప్పుడే ఆప.
Relax Molband. Start inhaling slowly, gently, up to the throat. Again apply Molband. Relax Molband. Normalize the breath and repeat 2 more times. Once you complete the rounds, relax. We will chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri Mantra. Inhale, mouth into circular shape. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhuvasvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Try to get up without taking support of your hands. If you cannot, come on to the knees and then get up. We will do Vrukshasana. Those who cannot balance on the leg, you can move towards your wall so that you will be able to take a support. Rest of them, both the legs together, hands along with the body. First fold the right leg, bring the heel close to the thigh joint. Make sure your entire feet is on the thighs and fingers are looking down, your toes looking down. You can place your feet either above the knee or below the knee. Don't place it on the knee. If you lose the balance, you may twist your knee. And your right knee looking towards right. Once you get the balance, inhaling, take both the hands from sideways up. Join both the palms in Namaskar Mudra. Now start focusing on any object in front of you. Make sure your hands are in stretched position. Normal breathing. Exhaling. Slowly bring the hands from sideways and normalize your right leg. Let's do with left leg. Fold the left leg. Place the heel close to the thigh joint. Toe is looking down and your left knee is looking towards left. Inhaling, take both the hands from sideways up. Join both the palms and start focusing on any object in front of you with normal breath. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from sideways. Normalize your left leg. Normalize your breath. We'll go for Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart. Hands along with the body, back and neck straight, eyes gently closed. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms, root of the thumb at the chest cavity, wrist to elbow straight, and elbows close to the body. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Adityaya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder width. Shoulders close to the ears. Once again, take a deep breath and bend back from the cervical. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat and the spine. In next pose, those who has backache, please do it up to your capacity. Rest of them, shoulders along with the ears. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Make sure your hands are in stretched position so that you will be able to bend better. Completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor beside the feet. Without bending the knees, bring your forehead towards the knees. If you are comfortable, try to place the entire palm on the floor, either side of the feet. Make sure knees are straight. Concentration at Manipur Chakra, behind the navel on the spine. Those who cannot place the palms on the floor, bend your knees a little. Firmly place both the palms on the floor. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe is in standing position. Right knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Try to bring your lower back down and bend back. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs. Now without displacing the palms or the feet, move your body back. Try to place heels on the floor, head inside chin at the throat cavity. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra at the crown of the head. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor, the inclined position. First knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor. Those who are not comfortable placing forehead, you can place chin on the floor, palms close to the chest, elbows looking up. Your lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift navel portion a little. Concentration at Anahata Chakra, behind the heart and the spine. Since all 8 limbs surrender to the earth, the ego problem will reduce. Memory power will improve. Inhaling, pushing body forward, straighten the elbows, bring your lower back down and bend back maximum. Concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, at the tip of the spine. Try to bring your lower back down and bend back. Make sure both the knees are together, toes in standing position. Without taking support of your knees, exhaling, lift yourself up. Go back and try to place heels on the floor again. Head inside chin at the throat cavity. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra. Inhaling. Bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. You can take help of your hands if required. Left knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down. Chest forward. Head back. Look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra. Exhaling. Bring the left leg forward. Join both the legs. Straighten the knees. Bend forward. And see if you can place the palms on the floor beside the feet. If you cannot, try to touch the fingers on the floor. Without bending the knees, bring your forehead towards the knees. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling. Slowly raise the body up. And bend back from the cervical. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the backbone, relax. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Normalize the breath. And recollect all warm-ups and Surya Namaskar. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Bring the hands towards the head on the floor at the shoulder width. Elbow to rear side of the palm should be touching the floor. Now inhaling, stretch yourself in opposite direction as if two people are pulling you in opposite. Navel as a center point, try to stretch maximum. In the final stretch, normal breathing, but don't relax. Try to stretch, try to increase the stretch every time when you inhale. The laziness will go away. If you do it in the morning, throughout the day, you will be active and alert. Relax, just relax your elbows and the toes. Those who have severe backache, please avoid doing Navasana. Rest of them, keeping hands in stretching position, toes in stretching position, knees are straight. Inhaling, bring the legs towards the head on the floor without bending the knees. Rear side of the feet should touch the floor. Exhaling, lift yourself up, bend forward and see your hands are surpassing the toes, forehead is coming closer to the knees. Now maintaining this position, roll on your backbone gently. Inhaling, go back. Exhaling, come forward. Excess fat at the back side will reduce. Lower abdominal organs will get toned up. Spinal cord will get nice massage. Relax. Relax in sitting position. Keep comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands behind the hips. Look up and close your eyes. We will do Konasana. Join both the legs. Bring the palms close to the hips. Again, comfortable distance. Keeping toes in stretching position, knees are straight, elbows are straight throughout the asana. Inhaling without bending the knees, try to lift the central part of the body up. You can suspend the head at the back. Try to lift maximum. In the final stage, normal breathing, but don't relax. Every time when you inhale, try to lift little more up and see if you can place the toes on the floor without bending the knees. Again, without bending the knees, exhaling, slowly come back as slow as possible. And relax in Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards right. Fold both the legs in one go from left. Toes together, heels apart, sit in between. Knees together, palms on the knees. Back and neck straight. Eyes gently closed. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. Slowly lie down on the abdomen. We will do Naukasana. Those who has abdomen related problems, please avoid this. Rest of them, lie down on the abdomen, forehead on the floor. Bring both the hands towards the head on the floor. Both legs together. Now inhaling, lift both legs and also the head along with your hands. Now, every time when you take your hands up, legs comes down. When hands are coming down, legs goes up. Roll on your abdomen. Slowly come back. Relax in Sithilasana right side. Right ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg straight. Right hand along with the body. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Bring the right hand straight under the head. Turn right. Come on to the backbone. We will do Marakatasana. Both legs together. Hands along with the body. First, fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the hips. Take support of your hands if required. Pull them closer. Now bring both the hands to 180 degrees. Keep the hands in stretching position. Throughout the asana, make sure your hands are in 180 degrees and they are not relaxed, they are in stretching position. We will take at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now inhaling, bring the knees towards right, head towards left, left ear on the floor. Now try to press your right knee with left knee, right heel with left heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction, as if you are extracting water from the wet towel. Exhaling, bring the legs to center, Check the position of your heels. Inhaling, bring the knees towards left, head towards right, right ear on the floor. Now try to press your left knee with right knee, left heel with right heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction. Exhaling, come to center. Now keep 1 feet distance between both the heels. Also heels and the hips. Adjust your feet. Make sure your hands are in 180 degrees in stretched position. Now inhaling, bring the legs towards right, head towards left. Now your left knee coming closer to the right heel. Both the knees on the floor. Try to twist yourself. If you cannot place the left knee on the floor, try to place it on the right heel. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Check the position of your heels. Again inhaling, bring the legs towards left, head towards right. Now your right knee is coming closer to the left heel and both the knees on the floor. If you cannot place knees on the floor, try to place your right knee on the left heel. Exhaling, come to center. Keeping hands in 180 degrees. Straighten the legs. Both legs together. Now inhaling, lift the right leg to 45 degrees. Make sure toe is in stretching position. Knees are straight. Now inhaling, bring the right leg towards your left palm. Your right feet should come closer to the left palm. Your right ear on the floor. See how much closer you can bring your feet towards your left hand. Exhaling, bring the right leg to 45 degrees again. Now start rotating your right leg to clockwise towards right, maximum towards right. Make a bigger circle. Keeping your toe is in stretching position, knee is straight. See the impact at the thighs and lower abdomen. Now do it in the anti-clockwise, the reverse direction. Slowly bring your right leg to normal. Join both the legs. Again check position of your hands. Now lift your left leg to 45 degrees. Keeping toes in stretching position, knees are straight. Inhaling, bring the left feet towards your right palm. Left ear on the floor. Exhaling, come to center. Keep your left leg to 45 degrees. Now start rotating. Left leg clockwise. Make a bigger circle towards left. And in the reverse direction. Relax the left leg, keeping both the hands in 180 degrees. Now inhaling, lift both the legs to 90 degrees. Once again inhale, bring both the legs towards right, head towards left. Twist yourself. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, take the legs towards left, head towards right. Exhaling, bring the legs to 90 degrees. Now keeping both the legs together, rotate both the legs clockwise at least 5 times. Make a bigger circle. And anti-clockwise 5 times. Relax. Make sure your hands are in 180 degrees. Just relax your legs. Now alternatively, lift the legs to 75 degrees and bring them down. Both legs should cross at 45 degrees. Bring both the legs towards floor. Relax for a few seconds. We are not done yet. Now lift both the legs to 45 degrees and do a scissoring towards right and left. Slowly bring the legs towards the floor. Relax for a few seconds. Once again, lift both the legs alternatively, lift them up. Bring them closer to the head, as close as possible alternatively. Relax. Now bring both the hands down along with the body. Normalize the breath. And relax in Shavasana. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Palms looking up. Normalize your breath. Now start scanning the relaxed body with your mental eye. Try to focus more on the places where you feel the pain, or if you have any ailments, just focus more on that. Turning from right, come to sitting position. Sit either in Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. We will go for pranayama. Both hands on the knees, chin mudra. We will do Plavani pranayam. Elbows close to the body, back and neck straight, eyes gently closed. First listen to the instructions and then do it. Make your mouth into circular shape, a little opening. Inhale through mouth, similar to how we will swallow the water. Similarly, inhale through mouth. Inhale deep so that the air will blot inside. Once you feel the breath is up to the throat, from there try to inhale a little more and fill your even cheeks. And then close your lips. Hold for some time. Let air circulate inside. If you cannot hold anymore, then bend forward. Take tongue out and exhale in 1 split second as if we are vomiting the air. Normalize the breath and then repeat. Let's start. Inhale through mouth in installments. Close your lips. Bend forward, take tongue out. In 1 split second, take the entire breath out. Exhale completely. Normalize the breath and then repeat 2 more times. Gently massage your throat by taking saliva inside. Relax. We'll go for meditation. Sit in comfortable position. Hands in Dhyana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. Normalize your breath. We will chant Om in 1:1 ratio. First listen to me for 2 times and then join. Om. 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 chant Om internally. Slowly shift your focus towards the breathing. Concentrate at the tip of the nose. Chant. We will chant Om once, followed by Mrityunjay mantra. Take a deep breath. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanam Mrityormukshiyamamritat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in the state for some time. Gently smear your eyelids with fingertips. Open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch toes forward and back. We have class tomorrow also. We will have all weekdays. Right and left. Rotate them clockwise and anti-clockwise. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.